How's it taste? We'll see.
It's not my first time.
How's it going? I should have. We came from New York for these.
What? Yeah, he's not lying.
Oh, we used to be based in New York.
Really?
Yeah.
Chopping it up with him.
Dog vlog. How do we say the name? Okay, that's what we thought, but I didn't want to say it and pronounce it wrong. Donutste. He knew we were first, so we in there. The line is increasing. Look at it.
He said that's why they come so late. They try to push it to the limit of keeping them fresh.
We're at Donutste at Lake Mary's Farmers Market.
Lake Mary, no S.
Lake Mary. Breaking bread. Wow, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Wow, looks beautiful. I got the center.
Oh, it was on our list all along.
Yo.
Imagine what the kitchen smells like Saturday morning. You got all these going.
Chef is a man of the people, giving out samples, blessing everybody. It was amazing. It was so good. Thank you. Wow.
Yeah, how is there no butter? I can't believe it's not butter.
I'm ready for you guys.
Okay. All right. So we're gonna do the red velvet creme brulee.
That's new. This is the blueberry roll. Okay?
Oh, blueberry lemon?
Yeah,
We'll take one of them too.
It's just like a last minute.
Oh yeah, the secret menu. We'll definitely do one of those. Yeah, we got a secret menu item. Blueberry donut, blueberry jam with a lemon and blueberry glaze on top, not even on the menu. Key lime pie and
Anyone
the hot
opposed
sauce.
to me getting a regular vanilla glaze?
No, you
'Cause
gotta
I
get the
always
classic,
like
yeah.
that everywhere.
That's a good barometer against every other donut.
One of the banana pudding. This is the worst part about this whole scene is like you are so hungry, you go somewhere, you order the food, it looks so good, and then you have to sit like 5 minutes because you can't eat it.
This is the samosa.
With the stainless, we got the stainless piece with us.
How is it? It's beautiful. Oh my God. How did they do it? I didn't even think I was on camera. I was in heaven. Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
Chef turns around, he said, "That's a beautiful box." And it came from the heart, so you know it was real.
Glass. It tastes like cotton candy. Really? Sugar.
I say we cut the key lime pie. The anticipation's killing me.
I'm glad we did this.
I got you. I can taste the lime in the icing already. That's not a donut, that is key lime pie.
Oh my God. How do they do this bread? Somebody's got to be the best, and these might be it. Or tell you that we appreciate you guys taking the time to like help us with all these flavors and get us the best options that y'all have.
I mean, we produce day of, so obviously we've been up since midnight, no sleep.
Yeah.
And it's been just an experience to create fresh.
Right.
You know, being out here and coming from New York, I just didn't see, I was expecting to see something that, you know, you felt that effort. You felt something, someone cared, and I'm not saying no one doesn't, but I didn't get that sense walking into anywhere of that feeling of someone putting in this extra effort.
Yeah.
So I said, I did it in New York, I got to do it here, and that's what inspired it.
Yeah.
And it was saying that we're going to do some fresh, artisanal flavors. Everything you see is handcrafted, hand-selected, hand-done. It's so many layers to each flavor, and that's the love. You got pink lemonade, you got stuffed banana pudding. There's a vanilla pudding inside with a banana glaze, and we made those vegan wafer crumbles. Then you got the blueberry roll with wild blueberries with a blueberry lemon glaze, and you got the red velvet creme brulee where we made the shell and we made the red yeasted dough, and it's not just red, it's actually plant-based buttermilk and cocoa. So you're gonna get that real red velvet profile.
Wow.
Samoa's is a Girl Scout, which is toasted coconut, caramel, and chocolate. And our vanilla is one of our flavors. It's a little hint of sea salt in there. And we use beautiful, we use a nice vanilla, and it's just, you know, you can see that even the ring on the donut, you know, for not having eggs, you know, no eggs in it. We still
Yeah,
work
the
to
shape.
achieve the shape, the
Yeah.
form, the height, the fluffiness. Just thank y'all for
The
appreciating it.
the dough. We eat a lot of donuts, and it's crazy. I was just like squeezing it, and
And it's a
it's like
sponge.
it's bouncy. It's
So it makes you
crazy.
think, do we need the buttermilk and eggs? If
Right.
we can still get there another way.
Yeah.
And my goal was just that we don't feel a difference, and hopefully you don't.
No.
Hopefully you feel like it's a great donut.
Yeah.
We just took down the key lime pie,
And
and
then,
it tasted like a slice of pie.
oh, thank you. And that was it. That's lime zest, 2 types of lime juice, organic lime juice, key lime juice. And we made the Biscoff and butter crumble, vegan butter, to mimic the pie crust.
Yeah,
Right.
the crust was
So like
incredible.
it's all those layers.
Yeah.
And mind you, 2 types of lime juice, not one. So it's like just
You
how
guys
do we
care.
get all
Yeah,
that
the
flavor
attention to
into
detail,
the
yeah.
glaze.
Yeah.
So I'm a chef, not a baker.
Right.
And I wanted to bring chef focus to it, not baker focus.
Yeah.
Where it's not about sweet, but it's about flavor.
Right. Man, you guys
Yeah,
like
man.
hit it right on the head. Thank you so much.
Donut loving me, honestly, donut loving you. Thank you for being here. Enjoy.
I
But
get
it's a
that
good
everywhere.
it's a good barometer against every other donut shop, vegan or not.
Right.
It's my,
I'm not eating much on camera for this one so far. What? The chef was super cool. We got here early. We got to talk to the chef for a little while, which is awesome. They make everything. The crust on the donuts, they made the creme brulee. They make every aspect of everything that they have. They even put cocoa into their red velvet to make it taste more like actual red velvet cake. These are some of the best donuts I've ever had. I think they might be the best donuts we've ever had. Donutste, they're number 1. They're the best donuts so far. I don't think anybody's coming close to these. And they're from New York too, which is crazy.